Starke 2127 and 2121 are the new designed pit 2-post parking lifts by Mutrade. The two platforms in each unit move up and down at the same time. The decking sheets of platforms are made of hot-dip galvanized waving plates. Starke 2 series has double platform version, Starke 2227 and 2221, which can park 4 cars in each unit. The single platform unit and double platform units can be installed together with different combinations according to project requirements. Both platforms move together vertically to park and retrieve car independently. The Starke 2 series products have different capacities to accommodate most common cars. The new Design 2 series product maximized the usable space in a limited environment. More available dimensions can be customized for different project as required. The new design structure requires affixing posts to the wall to enforce the stability. Multiple safety devices protect the machine all over the usage. The operation panel and hydraulic power unit can be freely placed near the machine according to specific project conditions.